Stocks were lower off the open, and this morning's data did not help. As I speak to you right now, the Nasdaq is down 48 basis points, 0.48%. The S&P is down about 0.26%. The Dow is down about 0.25%, and the Russell is down about 0.2%. This morning's data showed negative PPI, which is a good result for the economy, but lower than expected core retail sales and a lower than expected Empire State Manufacturing Index at negative 9.2. The Philly Fed Index was stronger than expected, but still negative at -4. Commodities are lower right now, except for gold, which is up by about 0.25%, but silver and copper are both down by about 1/3%, and crude oil is down by 2.1%, with the dollar slightly weaker in aggregate. As President Trump's Middle East trip continues, with the president arriving in Abu Dhabi this morning, normally these political trips don't matter for the markets, but the president has been announcing deals, and one of them yesterday helped the technology sector. So it's also feasible this could happen again today, so then we need to keep an eye on headlines coming out of that visit. Fed Chair Jerome Powell spoke this morning, and he said the central bank is reviewing its policy framework to reflect a changing economic environment post-2020. He said the economic environment has changed significantly, and the framework's intentional moderate overshoot of 2% inflation has become irrelevant. While core ideas like the 2% target will likely remain, Powell noted that persistent supply shocks and higher interest rates require adjustments to ensure the Fed can manage both growth and inflation. Looking ahead today, we're still waiting on a speech from Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr. Earnings today after the market closed, we have 10 companies with market caps over $1 billion reporting, including Applied Materials, Take-Two Interactive, Kava Group, and Quantum Computing. Tomorrow before the market opens, we drop down to 4 companies reporting with market caps over $1 billion, and the 3 US-based companies are RBC Bearings, Flower Foods, and Brady Corporation. Tonight, we get Japanese GDP. Tomorrow in the U.S., housing starts and preliminary May Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Also, a speech by San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly.